Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with an absolutely outstanding screen protector from the folks at Zagg for iPhone XS Max. This is their new Glass Plus VisionGuard screen protector, and it's going to protect your eyes against harmful blue light with its Eyesafe technology. So I am totally not equipped to evaluate whether that's really a thing or not. However, what I can tell you is that this is a fantastic screen protector, comes with an outstanding installer, super easy to put on, and just a great screen protector for iPhone XS Max. So I'm going to walk you through installation, show you how easy it is, and we can talk a little bit more about the features. Let's get started. Looking at the back of the box for more information about this new VisionGuard screen protector, you can see that it's supposed to protect you against digital eye strain, which manifests itself in dry, irritated eyes, sleep disruption, and blurred vision. This also preserves the true colors of your screen. As far as the rest of it, it's basically the same as their other Glass Plus screen protectors. It offers impact and scratch protection, precision touch sensitivity, and HD clarity, is smudge resistant, and has an easy bubble-free application. In addition, this product is covered by Zagg's limited lifetime warranty, where they will replace the screen protector if it becomes worn or damaged for the life of your device. However, there is a small shipping and handling fee applied. Looking at the contents of the box, we have a microfiber cloth, we have a dust removal sticker, and we have a wet wipe for cleaning the screen. We also have information about the limited lifetime warranty program that I was just talking about. We have the screen protector itself, and finally we have the wonderful installer. So you're going to want to start off by cleaning your screen and making sure that you are working in a clean, dust-free environment. This is crucial for a successful screen protector install. So you can start off by using their wet wipe and then drying things off with a microfiber cloth. Be sure not to forget the dust removal portion of this install. Microfiber cloths are great, but they often tend to actually deposit dust and fibers on your screen, so you definitely have to look and make sure that everything is as clean as it can possibly be before you put down that expensive screen protector. Next, you're going to want to put on the easy install tray. Simply slip it over the top of the phone and press it into place. Nothing really special to do here. Looking at the screen protector itself, it's one of those that has a hard plastic back on it that you're going to have to peel away in order to expose the adhesive side. There's actually a little tab marked 1 on here, but don't start from this side. Definitely start from the other side because you're not trying to remove the sticker. You're trying to remove the entire hard plastic back. So very carefully peel it away. Be sure not to touch the screen protector itself, just on the edges or by using the easy install tabs. Now, we do have a very, very faint blue tint to the screen protector. Interesting. Next, all you need to do is take the screen protector and lay it down gently within the confines of the installer and then gently press into place. Be sure to check your screen for little bits of dust beforehand. Make sure that there isn't any dust present because that's going to mess up your install. But other than that, that's all you need to do. Gently lower it down over the screen. Make sure that the notch is positioned at the top rather than at the bottom and that it is straight within the installer. It's so cool to watch. It's doing all the work for me. Very, very neat. So smooth away any bubbles. As you can see, we're talking very, very few bubbles here. Then once everything is looking great, then you can peel away the top layer and remove the installer. So as you can see, installation was extremely easy. Everything went on just like a dream. Really no problems there. Love the installer. Love the fact we have such good adhesive on the back here. Everything just adhered super easy. No problem with bubbles or anything like that. So great job by Zagg on that. So in terms of fit, I think we were able to get a perfect fit on here. I'm not noticing any areas where we have any haloing or hazing or anything like that. Everything is perfectly aligned. Looks wonderful. We have nearly complete coverage on here. A little bit of an area along the edge that is not covered that makes this case compatible, and of course the area on the notch is uncovered as well. But other than that, really great protection on here, and of course we do have that 3x shatter protection that this screen protector offers. So in terms of fit and feel, feels fantastic underneath the fingertips. This is your classic Zagg oleophobic coating, super buttery, super smooth, feels wonderful. There's no issue whatsoever in screen responsiveness. Everything feels great, looks great, fantastic optical clarity on here. As I pointed out when I installed it, the actual screen protector had a little bit of a blue tint, but once installed on here, I don't notice anything any bluer than usual. Everything looks great, sharp and clear, and absolutely lovely. So I have no way of telling whether this Eyesafe thing really helps or not. It seems to me that it probably is likely to help, so I think it's a good thing to have. But what I can tell you is that it's a great screen protector, feels wonderful, is going to do a great job in protecting your screen, and does everything you want a screen protector to do. So I think it's a great product by Zagg, and if it happens to help your eyes as well, then that is just an added bonus. So really good job by Zagg on this. In terms of case compatibility, this is going to fit with a lot of cases because it is case compatible. So putting it on here with your Spec Presidio Pro, just to give you a look here. Going on, we've got a nice fit, and as you can see, it goes almost to the edges here, gives you a really nice amount of protection. Everything looks great here with the Presidio Pro. And then just looking at the OtterBox symmetry to give you another purple case, this is going to fit on just fine as well. So, two great fitting cases, absolutely no problems. So overall, I think this is just a great product by Zagg for iPhone XS Max. Again, we've been looking at the Zagg Glass Plus VisionGuard screen protector for iPhone XS Max. This product is available directly from Zagg as well as from other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $44.99. Many thanks to the kind folks at Zagg for sending me out this sample to review. I will put links below where you can find out more about this product, and if you have any questions about it, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and I will do my very best to address them. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great case and screen protector reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the Zagg Glass Plus VisionGuard screen protector for iPhone XS Max. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.